we are, pulling out of New Haven Harbour, heading across the channel to Dieppe. It's probably our favourite crossing, not least because it's so much cheaper than the crossings from Portsmouth to Le Havre or Caen. Anyway, if you were to go this route to France, I'd strongly recommend getting the overnight crossing from Friday night. You get in early in the morning on Saturday, just before the Dieppe Saturday morning market, and that was voted a few years ago the best market in France. Then it's a 3-hour drive down to the house. So, at the house, let's wander around the back and see how things have changed since the last visit. You can see that brown patch around the bottom of the pig pen and the bottom of the bread oven. That's where the weed killer's done its job. It stops us having to rake up any brambles for the next week or two. This is the cherry tree. You can see that the cherries are now bright yellow, and that's the 3rd week of June that they are now. So sometime in July they should be great. We tried a few, they were sweet, that's good. Now it's time for me to trudge across the grass and start work on the lean-to of the colombage. Off I go. Hello viewer. Well, as you can see, we're underneath the lean-to part of the colombage barn, and I'm going to start removing the tin roof now. But in order to do that, I need to get rid of the brambles that are around the side. You can see some chicken wire here behind me. There's broken bottles on the ground. Basically, I need to create a flat enough space that I can put ladders and hop-ups underneath here so I can get to the tin roof. So for the meantime, I'll do some clearance. Part of that is I have my little mobile generator and a hedge trimmer, so I'll use that on the brambles. In the background, you can possibly see Jo moving a trug around with hay that she's emptying out of the barn. So I'll start clearing this. Off we go. whilst I try in vain to get the generator started, it would be really kind if you would like and subscribe to this channel. And then if you join us next week, you can see a video of Joe moving all of that hay out of the barn and up to a dump by the side of the pig pen. See you then.